Anyways.
Hello, friends. We are on our way to Parry Sound because it was close to where we were. About 40 minutes. We're closer than we are than usual, so why not? We are going to go
to the Trestle Brewery.
Yes.
And maybe do some other little exploring around Parry Sound. And we'll bring you along for the ride.
Yes.
For all the adventures.
We're rolling. Here we are in Muskoka, which a lot of very pretty scenery with all the rocks and all of the colors. I can see the rocks. We're going through them. Well, we're going through the rocks.
I know.
I can see the rocks. Alright. Okay. Look at all of the rocks. And Steve.
Steve the Stormtrooper.
Yes, he's having a great time.
No, it's very pretty up this way. It is Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada, and we are just north of Barrie, Ontario, on Highway 400. So, where we live in southwestern Ontario, you don't see all the pretty colors changing quite yet on the trees, and we definitely don't get the rocks and
3 kilometers, take exit 177 toward Muskoka Road 38, Muskoka District Road 38.
Thank you, Google. Yeah, we don't get like the landscape that we see here. Like, basically,
It's not all flat.
it's not all flat like where we're from. Looks like they basically, when they were putting in this Highway 400, that they just basically just cut out where all the rocks were and put a road in, and just I never get tired of driving up and seeing this. But look at all the pretty colors there. So anyway, we just wanted to share that with you. We did a couple time lapses for your enjoyment. So anyway, we just wanted to share a little bit more with you. Enjoy.